Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have something super duper exciting. I bought a few things from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, the dollar store. So we're gonna try to use them to see if we can recreate like a backdrop, like a YouTube set. Yeah, like a YouTube set type thing. YouTube studio, like, you know, YouTube background, YouTube backdrop, whatever you want to call it. So if you guys are interested in to see what I got and how I'm going to transform this little area, then stay tuned and keep watching. This is the area. This is the set. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through the few things that I got from the thumbnail. There's nothing in that bag. So I got this, just like a little organizer. It's probably gonna be for the bathroom. I also got this Daily Defense hair mask. You know me trying to make my hair different 2020. It's not like related to what I'm gonna try to do, but I just got it at the Dollar Tree, so I might as well show. I wanted to try a tie-dye shirt. It's a little self-duo tie-dye type thing. I got this. So you just hang them, you know, little shelf units. So I thought that would be cute to put somewhere. I got some wallpaper. This, because I have an idea. These, but I tried them yesterday. I just tried them out. I wanted to try something different. I got 3 of these. And yeah, we're gonna try to see what we can create out of that. I have no idea where to start. So far, I pulled out a few more things. I spread everything out on the ground that I'm gonna use. That's my tripod. For now, I have one, but I'm just not sure about to dig around looking for it. Tape it. Oh, please don't work. Please don't. Didn't think about that now, did you, Ocean? Piece 1. ASMR. Let's see if this works. One down, 1 to go. I'm gonna do it like this. Or Big Pac-Man. DIY queen. So I just didn't even bother doing the rest of this side because you're not even gonna see it. So here's the 2 shelves. DIY queen. I'm gonna just waste it all the time for nothing. We got the backdrop up. We got a little decor already. Let's get back to it. And bam, now we got a DIY picture. It's always me and scissors. go along well. Ooh, I'm gonna use the textured side, but I won't use the back because then when I get bored I can paint on this side. Some more. We're gonna use the back unless you can tell that it's the back. Nope. Let's get the stick in. They say life is beautiful, life is tough, but so are you. Do what you love, choose to be happy. The most important things in life aren't things. I should have just did this. But we're gonna put them on the board. Should I just slap them everywhere? I think so. Wow. Look at it. I'm done. Do they have to be straight too? Like, or should I just put them all over? There we go. First sticker. Keep smiling. That's like it. We don't gotta be on there perfectly. We're DIY queen. Is this in the middle? Don't gotta be on there perfectly. Now I'm gonna be so. I just said it didn't have to be perfect, and now I'm sitting here having to make it. Oh well. Is beautiful. Choose to be happy. That's how it should go. Life is tough, but so are you. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest on and then show you what I come up with at the end. Collage. Please don't peel off. Please don't peel off. Please don't peel off. That didn't sound good at all. And ta-da! I like it just because it's so offset. Offset! Woo! Woo! Time for lights. How'd that look? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Okay guys, so it's been a crazy day. But if you guys are ready for the grand reveal, then let me show you. I didn't really end up using like all the stuff that I got, but I used as much as I could. So let me just show you guys what I did, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's go, let's do this. Cue montage. So happy in how it turned out. It's super cute and it's just like quick, you know what I mean? Like if you needed a quick backdrop, you can go to the Dollar Tree and get yourself a roll of paper instead of spending $20 or $30, how much ever they are, for a backdrop. Like look what I did. You saw me, you know the vibe. Like now I have a backdrop. If I get bored of it, I have a bunch of other ones to go through. So I mean, look at her, look what she did. I really like it. I mean, I don't know how long these are gonna stay up. Fun fact, these things are from Walmart. Like I asked the lady, you know how like the display stuff or whatever, I asked the lady if I could just have them. Like you saw how they were before, the before and after. And then this is literally a roll, I don't know how to say it, the roll of, you know, the roll from the wrapping paper. That's it, and I just put the adhesive wallpaper over it. So yeah guys, this is my drop little YouTube setup, so I hope you like it. Let me pretend I'm vlogging. So do you like it like this? I feel like I should put like a pillow or something here, but like I want to sit here, and this is for my special guests. So yeah, this is the one side, now this is the other side. Oh no, that's good, that's perfect. Thumbnail. Alright guys, so if you like this video, if you thought it was helpful, if there's anything that you could no, scratch that. If you thought that this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Even if you try any of these things, give it a thumbs up. Like, let me know how the wrapping paper technique, not even technique, this is a backdrop for $1. Literally everything here was from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, the dollar store, whichever, you know, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, guys, I'm really happy with how it came out. And I wanted to keep it simple, but like, you know, something so you guys have something to look at instead of just staring at me. I brought you in a little closer. But yeah, I love it. I'm just making up thumbnails now. But yeah, guys, now I have a big ass mess to clean up. Should I show you? Do you want to see? Of course you do. Look at the mess. Look at the mess. I gotta clean all that up because that's the aftermath of a video. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button. This is how I really smash that like button, subscribe, like all that crazy stuff, but this is how I usually am. No, that's not me at all. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching my DIY dollar store backdrop YouTube studio setup. Bye.